Am I the only one that didn't know you can't directly open a Chase bank account online from Pakistan? First off, Chase primarily serves U.S. residents and might need you to verify in person if you're a non-resident. Unfortunately, direct online account opening for non-residents isn't always an option. But don't worry, you have alternatives like Wise for international transfers, or even Payoneer and Revolut for similar services. Now, if you're eligible to open an account with Chase, here's what you'll need: a valid passport, CNIC, and maybe an LLC formation document for business accounts. Decide if you want a checking or a savings account. Next, you'll probably need to visit a Chase branch in the U.S. for in-person verification. Complete the forms, provide your documents, and make that initial deposit or use services like PayPal or Wise to fund your new account. Remember, a U.S. mailing address and possibly a SSN or ITIN are required. And be aware of OFAC sanctions. For the latest info, check out the Chase Bank website or Wise for international banking options.